Tools to be prepared: carbon brushes, a diagonal pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, Allen wrenches, and a burner. First, need to face the burner's air plug towards yourself. Remove all 4 screws with Phillips screwdriver. After removing the cover, use Allen wrenches to remove the carbon brushes screws. Remove the screws by turning the wrench counterclockwise. Set aside the removed screws. Now cut the old carbon brush wires with diagonal pliers. Then use 400 grit sandpaper to polish the collector ring. Turn the burner while holding the sandpaper against the collector ring until the collector ring is smooth. Finally, wipe the toner with paper. New carbon brushes need to be installed in the burner. Lay out the carbon brush wires through this groove. Then install the carbon brush back against the ring. Next, secure the fixing screws back in. Finally, use a hexagonal tool to secure it clockwise. Gently tug on the wiring after installing. Check carbon brush and collector ring for contact and carbon brush flexibility. After confirming, put the cover back on. Note that the cover doesn't cover the carbon brush wires. Install wiring correctly along cover gaps. Then use a Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws. Next, lay out the carbon brush wires and install the burner. Finally, connect a thermocouple wire labeled 1 to it.